Hey there trading enthusiasts, Oliver here from Lux Trading Firm and welcome back to our channel. Lately we've been diving deep into the prop trading world and psychology, but today we're going back to basics with some beginner friendly tips. Whether you're just starting or need a bit of a refresher, these 5 easy tips are perfect for you. So let's not waste any time and let's get right into them. Alright, first up, tip number 1. Fewer strategies, but well combined. It's tempting to load up your charts with every indicator and strategy under the sun, but less is often more. Focus on combining a few solid strategies that complement each other. For example, pairing a trend indicator like the moving average with trend channels from technical analysis can give you a stronger signal. Remember, quality is often over quantity. My tip number 2 is all about those handy dandy sticky notes. When you're starting out, there's a lot to keep track of. Money management, take profits, stop losses, and your trading strategies. Write these rules down and stick them somewhere you can see them, like your laptop or phone or computer screen. Therefore, before you make a trade, check these notes to make sure you haven't forgotten anything. They'll help you stay calm and maximize your strategy potential. Over time, these rules will become second nature. Even when I was starting out, my screen was completely full of those sticky notes with my rules, so I never forget them. And on to the tip number 3. Enter trades right on time. The best entry signal is usually at the moment it appears. If you enter too early or too late, you're decreasing your chances of success. Yes, it can be nerve-wracking to wait for the perfect moment, but often patience is key. If you miss a signal, don't stress. There's always another opportunity around the corner, and I can't stress this enough. So many people just try to jump in even though it is way after their trading signal, they've missed the trade, yet they try to get into it anyway. Don't do that. My tip number 4, set your profit and loss limits. This might seem incredibly basic to those of you who've been trading for a while, but to this day, I see so many traders without stop loss and take profits. Always have both the take profit and stop loss levels in place. This will help you stick to your money management plan and prevent you from emotional trading, which never ends well over the long run. While it might have a bit of success in the short term, you might have a few lucky trades. In the long run, if you let your emotions get the better of you, 99% people will fail. With this, also remember to account for the spread, and if you need to close the trade manually to avoid a market reversal, don't hesitate with that. Those are completely fine scenarios where you can manually close the trade. Your limits are there to protect you, so use them wisely. And last but definitely not least, tip number 5, and I haven't mentioned this on this channel for quite a while and we haven't talked about it, but keep a trading journal. I've been saying this over and over quite some time ago before we got more into the psychology and just what's going on in the prop trading industry, so I feel like it's a good time to remind ourselves to keep a trading journal. This is your best tool for tracking your progress and getting valuable feedback. Record when you enter and exit trades, the strategies you use, your profit and loss, or any other relevant details. Over time, this will help you see which strategies work best and how to optimize your trading. The more information you track, the better your trading decisions will become. And there you have it. 5 easy trading tips to get you started on the right foot. Remember, trading is a journey and every bit of preparation helps. If you find these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments what topic you'd like to cover me next. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one.